Okay guys, welcome back. This is your brother Abdul Hamanoun, who is still ready to check for you mathematics of Form 2. Today we're going to discuss about surface area of frustum. Is what we're going to discuss. Surface area of frustum. This is also framed in two format. We're going to see the first format, then we'll go to the next format, okay? When we're talking about the surface area of frustum, they are going to frame in two formats, okay? And we'll see the first one for your information, guys, okay? Now, without wasting time, let's go to this one. Let's go to the first example, yeah? This is our example 1. In our example 1, we are told the diagram below shows a frustum made from a cone. Okay? Of base radius 35 centimeter. Frustum. We are told the radius of the top surface is 21 centimeter, and the slant height, okay, just understand that, okay, and the slant height of the frustum is 20 centimeter, okay, is 20 centimeter, and the height of the frustum is 20 centimeter. Okay. You're told find the surface area of the frustum. Find the surface area of the frustum. Now, this is the frustum we're having. Let me draw for you. We have this one. This is our frustum, okay? We'll have a figure of this kind. Then this is the radius they're talking about. These are the two radius, okay? Then this is 20 centimeter. So what you're going to do is we will have the base radius. What they say that the base radius is 35. This is 35 centimeter, while this is 21 centimeter. So what you're going to do is we'll complete this one. So this is V. Okay, that will be our V. So it requires thorough calculation. So we are using this one H. We don't have. Let's call this one V A B. Okay, then C D. Now in such a question, this is the height of the frustum, which is 20. Yeah? Now remember, this is what you're going to say, or this is how we are going to tackle this kind of question. We are going to say let VC be H. That's why we're having VC as H. So using similarity, we know that AB, the radius of the bigger cone divided by the radius of the smaller cone, is equal to the height of the bigger cone, which is VA, or what? VC, the height of the smaller cone. So when you look at this diagram, we'll have two cones, the bigger cone and the smaller cone, okay? Now, The bigger cone means the smaller cone will give us the frustum we're talking about. The frustum we're talking about, okay? Now, we are going to use similarity. We're going to say the radius of the bigger cone divided by the radius of the smaller cone is equal to the height of the bigger cone divided by the height of the smaller cone. So in this situation, we'll have 35 divided by 21 is equal to height of the bigger cone will be VA, and VA is, and we know that VC is what, H, and AC is 20, so it will be H plus 20 all over the height of the bigger cone, which the smaller cone, sorry, which is now H. Then you cross multiply, it will be 35 H is equal to 21 into H plus 20. Okay, so this will give me 35 H is equal to 21 H, 21 H, okay, 21 H plus 420. So I take this one to this side. So it will be that 5H minus 21H is equal to 420. So from here I'll get what? 14H is equal to 420. Then to get H, divide both sides by 14, okay? Cancel. So H is equal to 30 centimeter. Then from there, what are you going to do? We are going to say now VA is equal to H plus 20. That's what? 30 plus 20, which is 50 centimeter. And VC is equal to what? H. Now VC therefore is equal to H, which is 30 centimeter. Have these two in print because they'll help you. Now after getting that, after getting the respective value, we have two right angles triangles. We have VAB and then VCD. So those are two right angles triangles. So what are we going to say? This is how we're going to, we will get VB. Take your time now. You will get VB. You're going to say taking out triangle VAB, VAB. So I will have a triangle of this kind. This is V, this is A, and this is B. So this is 90 degree, okay? So here I will have VA is what? VA is 50, okay? And this is what? 35. So I have to get VB, which is the slant height of the bigger cone. I just understand. So I will say now VB squared is equal to VA squared plus AB squared. So VB squared is equal to 50 squared plus 35 squared. So VP squared therefore is equal to 2500 plus 1225. 1225, okay? Then get the calculator. So it will be 2500 plus 1225, okay? So that will give us 3725. So VP squared therefore is equal to 3725. Then to get VP into this root, through them. So VP therefore, VP is equal to the root of my answer, which is 61.03. 61.03 centimeter. That is the slant height of the bigger cone. Then you are going to say, you are going to get again, taking out also, say, taking out also, triangle VCD, VCD. I'll take out because I want to get the slant height of the smaller cone. Just understand, yeah? Okay, I'll say this is the triangle. This is my triangle VCD. Yeah? VCD. So this is H is what? H is 30. We know that this is 30 centimeter and top radius is what? 21 centimeter. So I will also get VD, which is the slant height of the smaller cone. Yeah? Now I'll say VD squared is equal to VC squared plus CD squared, okay? Plus CD squared plus CD squared. So VD squared therefore is equal to 30 squared plus 21 squared. So VD squared therefore is equal to 900 plus 441, okay? 30 squared plus 21 squared, okay? That will give us 1341. VD squared is equal to 1341. Then to get VD, introduce root again. So VD alone is equal to the root of the answer, okay? That's 6.62. That's 6.62 centimeter squared. Now, for us to get the surface area, look here. The surface area is equal to, we're going to say, by RL minus by RL. So, we are making, just understand here, we are making R capital and L capital. Why? Because we have the bigger radius and the larger slant height. Yeah, just understand that. So, we are going to say, this can be written as SA is equal to by R, the bigger corner, that is 35, times L, which is the slant height. Where is it? Confirm it's here, 61.03 centimeter minus, again you're going to say by R. R is the top one, which is 21 times L, which is this one, which is, where is it? It's here, the slant height of the smaller corner, just answer. That is 36.62 centimeters. So now carry out your calculation. This is 5. So from there we are going to get SA therefore is equal to 22 times 5. Okay, that's 110 times 61.03. So that will give me 67.13.3. 67.13.3 centimeter squared minus, then here by 3, that is 66 times that's 6.62. Then you're going to get 2416.92 centimeter squared. Now we are going to subtract. Now we are going to say SA of the first term therefore is equal to 6713.3 minus the final answer I've got here now. So that will give us 4296.38 centimeter squared. So that's how you're going to get. Just understand here. Who said the first time is hard? First time is not hard, and it will never be hard. I'm telling you. So what are we doing? Guys, these guys, they will also frame in another way. I'll show you right now. Now we have the height of the first term. Okay, what's the first term? Our first term is a bigger cone cut from the top, yeah? Just understand. The remaining part is what you normally call the first term, yeah? So for you to get the surface area of that first term, you're going to complete the diagram, the bigger cone, yeah? Just understand. So you'll have height, okay? Height, which is the height of the top cone which has been removed. Just understand. You're going to look for that using similarity. And the procedure remains the same. In case you see, whether you're solving this one or the upcoming one, of which you're going to solve right now, then the procedure will remain the same. These guys, sometimes they will give you the slant height. So you'll get also by use of similarity, because they will give you the height. Just understand. So if you are given the slant height or BD, so you take this one as X, okay? Then you use similarity. You're going to say that the radius of the bigger cone divided by the slant height of the bigger, the radius of the bigger cone divided by the radius of the smaller cone is equal to the slant height of the bigger cone divided by the slant height of the smaller cone. So it cannot challenge you, by the way, it's very easy. But now what the question here is, the last full stop here is very important. This one. You are told to find the surface area of the first term. The moment you are told to get the surface area only of the first term, this is the procedure. You are going to get the area, the surface area of the bigger cone, which is by RL, and the surface, again you will also get the surface area of the smaller cone. Then you will subtract. Okay, the surface area of the bigger cone, VBC, yeah, just understand that. Okay, minus the surface area of the smaller cone will give you the surface area of the first term. But if you are told in the examination room, the last full stop is very important in mathematics. If you are told find the total surface area, that word total is very important. That will be our word content. Okay, it will be very important by the way, because here we are told find the surface area of the first term. Yeah. So this is the procedure. You will get the area, the surface area of the bigger cone, You will also get the surface area of the smaller cone, then you carry out the operation, which is what? Which is subtraction, by the way. Now let's see example 2, yeah? Example 2, how it differs from this one, okay? Let's see our example 2. Guys, you can have a look for. Look at this one, okay? Make sure you look at this one. The procedure, just understand. Check your time and understand, okay? Now let's go and see example 2. Example 2 about this one. Let's go and see example 2, okay? So that you understand in the best way, yeah? Just understand. So you grab this information accurately, okay? This is how it will differ. In our question 2, we'll be asked to look for the total surface area, okay? So what will be the difference in calculation then? If you are told to look for the total surface area, okay? So we have to ask ourselves, what will be the difference? Okay, how are they going to differ? That's what we're going to ask ourselves. Let's go and see. See, mathematics is hard. Mathematics of high school is very easy. It requires only you to spend a lot of time. You do calculation before you sit for KCSE, okay? Let's go and see, guys. You know, I'm helping you during this period of pandemic disease. You know, COVID-19 is actually stranding people at home level. So let's see now. Our example 2, yeah? Let's see our example 2, guys. Okay. Now let's see the second example here. Now let's see our second example here. The figure below. This is example 2, okay? You are told the figure below. The figure below shows a frustum. Made from a cone. Made from a cone, okay? Made from a cone. Made from a cone, okay? Let's understand that, guys. Made from a cone. Made from a cone, okay? Made from a cone. Then you're told of base radius of base radius let me get the base radius, yeah? Base radius 21 centimeter. Base radius is 21 centimeter. Just understand that. Base radius what is 21 centimeters, okay? Okay. And top radius of 14 centimeter. 14 centimeter, Frustum. Okay. You are told if it is slant height is that centimeter, comma, find its total surface area. Find its total surface area. Now you're given the slant height, yeah, not the true height, okay? So let me draw this one diagrammatically. I just understand this. We'll have this one and another one here, okay? Let me make the figures, the circles a little bit bigger than the ones we have drawn in our previous example, yeah? Okay, let's now see this one, yeah? Let's see this one. Now, what we're gonna do is actually, this is how we're going to actually tackle it. Just understand. So we are given the top radius. What? The top radius is 21. This is the top radius, which is 21 centimeter. Just understand. Okay. The bottom radius. Sorry. This is the bottom radius, and we have also the top radius, which is what? So let me draw this one for information, guys. Okay. We will have this one. This is V. This is 14 centimeter, as they said. So we have the slant height means of the first line means up to this one. Okay. This is the one they're giving us. That is how much? 30 centimeter. So we are missing this one. Yeah. Let's say this is L. This one is what? Is L. Okay. Let's say that one is what? Is L. Yeah. Just understand that. So what we're gonna do here is actually we are going to say using similarity. Yeah. We are going to say, let's call this one A, this one B, this one C, and this one what? D. So we are going to say, using similarity, we're going to say AP all over CD is equal to AB, which is the height of the bigger chord, is all over, sorry, AB, which is the radius of the bigger chord, yes, understand, yeah? Divided by the radius of the smaller chord, which is CD, is equal to the height of the bigger chord, which is VA now, divided by the height of the smaller chord, which is VC in this situation. So, but now we cannot use height. We don't have height. Let us use this one. The slant height of the bigger chord, which is VP all over VD. Just understand that. You are using VP all over VD. So, if we take this one, the whole one, VP, if now VD is L, then VP will be L plus that. So, we are going to say 21 out of what? Out of 14 is equal to 21 out of 14 is equal to what? VP is L plus 30 all over L, okay? Then you cross multiply. 21L is equal to 14L plus 420. So take this to this side. So it will be 21L minus 14L is equal to 420. So this will give me 7L is equal to 420. Then divide both sides by 7 to get the value of L cancel. So L therefore is equal to 60 centimeter. So that is this one, the slant height of the smaller chord. So I'll say now surface area. This is very easy. Surface area is equal to, I'll say by RL minus by RL, okay? By RL, okay? So SA therefore is equal to, you're going to say SA is equal to, you're going to say by R is the bigger one, times L. Now let's get VP, because we don't have VP, which is the slant height of the VP. We know that's equal to L plus 30. So VP therefore will be, don't forget, 60 plus 30, which is now 90 centimeter. So we are going to say times 90 centimeter minus again by R the top one, which is 14 centimeter times L. Now our L will be 60 now, 60 centimeter, okay? So by 7 is 3. Now get your calculator. While waiting, get your calculator. You're going to say, for the information, you're going to say, that is 66 times 90, yeah? 66 times 90. So SA therefore is equal to 5940 centimeter squared minus by 7, 1 by 7 is 2, 44 times what? 4 times 60, yeah? So that is 2640, yeah? 2640 centimeter squared. So we're going to say 5940 minus the final answer. So SA therefore is equal to, we will have 3,300 centimeter squared. You will not just understand. We are getting what we are saying, what surface area. Now we are going to say area of the two circles. Area of the two circles. Area of the two circles. We are going to say area of the bottom circle will be by R squared plus by R squared. So we'll say by R squared, the area of the bottom circle, R is capital, and the area of the top circle. So we're going to say by, so you can, as far as from one concept is concerned, factorization or algebraic, you can simplify this one, or you can separately look for the area of this circle and the area of this one, then you sum them, you also sum again to this one, yeah. Ama, you can say the common factor here is by outside, so I will have r squared plus r squared, is it? Yes. Then you can say by, open the bracket, r plus r, okay? R plus r, okay? Can you do that? Yes, of course, you can do that, okay? R plus r into r minus r. You can also say like this. It will save your time, yeah? Just understand the difference of two squares. You can also say like this. Just understand that, okay? Then I will have, or let me write this thing because you may be confused with it. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to say by r squared. Our r is 21 centimeter times 21 centimeter plus by r squared, which is 14 centimeter times also 14 centimeter, because we have two cycles. By 7, 1 by 7 is 6. So we will have, by 7, 1 by 7 is what? 3. So 22 times 3 is 6. 6 times 21. 6 times 2, 1, 1386. So that would be 1386 centimeter squared plus by 7, 1 by 7, 2. That will also give us 616 centimeter squared. 22 times 2 is 44 times 14, yeah? So we are going to say 1386 plus 616, yeah? So this will give me 1386 plus 616. So that is 2002, yeah? Yeah? That is 2002 centimeters squared. Now we're going to say total surface area. Total surface area. When you're told total surface area, you add area of the area of this frustum plus the area of the two cycles. So we're going to say that's how much? So we're going to say 3,300 centimeters squared plus this one 2,002 centimeters squared. So that will give us how much? 2035, okay, centimeter squared. So that's how you're going to tell it. Just answer. If you are told find the total surface area, you will add area of the two cycles. Just answer. But if you are told find the surface area only, you will now subtract the two cons. Then you are going to get the area. The surface area of the first term. Guys, I'm sure this is very easy. Make sure you do a lot of calculation and research. Yeah. Okay. If you have any challenge, leave in the comment box. They will help you. Otherwise, I wish you the best.